and Lori RV Life Throwback Video. Here's our top 5 kitchen items every RV needs.
Hi everybody, welcome to Lori's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you my top 5 must-haves for in the kitchen. And these are just the top 5. I narrowed it down very carefully. So number 5, we're going to count up to my absolute gotta have. Number 5 is Brita pitcher. And none of these products are being endorsed. This is my personal preferences. No paid endorsements. No paid endorsements. The Brita filter. We do filter our water coming in. We filter it going through our sink. And then I filter it again through the Brita pitcher. Must have for us. Number 4. The coffee pot and the coffee bean grinder. We use the camping coffee pot because we try to primarily boondock and we don't want to use or can't use a electric coffee pot, which ours broke and we just never replaced, so we just use this no matter what. And then we like having fresh beans, so a coffee bean grinder. Number 4. Number 3, my kitchen timer and my counting magnets. And if you don't know what those are, we will link a video where I use these and explain. But real quick, say I have something that bakes for 10 minutes and I want to turn it in my oven every 2 minutes. I will set out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I will set out 5 magnets and it helps me keep track of how many times I have turned my baked goods. That was number 3. Number 2 is an all-inclusive list. Since I couldn't narrow it down to each individual item, I figured I would do, these are my most used kitchen utensils that I use pretty much on a daily basis. And yes, they are all Pampered Chef. I love Pampered Chef. I've had these for years, back when I had a full-time job and disposable income. Can't afford Pampered Chef anymore, but these items have lasted forever and I love them. They're great products and these are my must-haves. So that was no, it was number 2. So number 1, my most gotta have are my oven gloves. These are oven mitts that are silicone. They're very thick. They're a glove, so you have mobility. Yes, they're dirty because I use them all the time, constantly. And we started out with one that was a gift to us from a gift to Tom from his morning show partner Erica way back, and I was the one that used it all the time, and it was like, okay, I need another one. So finally I got another one. Didn't you and Ashley get me the second one for Christmas? Mm-hmm. So yes, gotta have them. So those are my 5 must-haves for the kitchen. Tom has 5 for you too.
Lori took a really long time, but I can do my top 5 most gotta have in the kitchen. 1, a plate. Gotta have the plate. 2, a spoon. 3, a fork. 4, a knife for all the food. My most important item to have in the kitchen, Lori to serve me the food.
So there you have it. Both of ours, Tom and Lori's top 5 must-haves for the kitchen. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. We hope you had fun with it like we did. Hope you agree that Some of those items are maybe your must-haves. Tell us what yours are down in this description below, in the comments below. In the description below, we have our Amazon link that we really appreciate it when you use it because it doesn't cost you anything and it does help us out. Thank you for subscribing and for clicking the bell and making sure that you get notifications every time we have a new video out to share with you. Thank you so much for watching. See ya!
Life is short, make it sweet.
Looks like an empty plate.
Fill it up, woman.